Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Whenever we plan a short or a long trip with our family, we always tend to pack everything well. But one thing which always is the last thing in priority is your dental kit. We often skip that or do not give it a priority. So today I'll be helping you make a list of things which you must carry with you, and it should be a part of your traveling dental kit. First thing is the normal toothbrush which you use at home. Toothbrush with a cap or a case, because open toothbrush they tend to attract bacteria. Next is the regular toothpaste which you are using at home, be it a Pepsodent or Colgate, anything. Along with it, you should always have a desensitizing toothpaste like Sensodyne or Thermosil. Next thing is tongue cleaner and floss. These two things are mandatory. Do not skip it. Tongue cleaner and floss. The next thing in the list would be our mouthwash, which you have used earlier and you know you're not allergic to it, right? Mouthwashes also come in small travel size bottles, so those are best. You can keep that in your travel bag. Now, two oils which are very important and should always be there in your dental kit are clove oil and coconut oil. Why clove oil? Because in case you experience any pain, you can always take little bit of that oil and apply it onto the tooth surface area. It will provide you with instant relief. And next is extra virgin coconut oil for oil pulling. What is oil pulling? It is already there in my YouTube video. Go back and have a look. Next thing which you should keep is salt packets or small pouches of salt. Why? Because early morning, first thing to do when you wake up is take some lukewarm water, empty the contents of the sachet, that is salt, and gargle very well. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with lukewarm salt water. It will ensure you do not have any problem. Okay, next thing is few medicines. Regular medicines like painkillers should be there in your dental kit, along with few xylitol gums. These chewing gums, when you chew them, it will ensure that you do not snack unnecessarily things or have sugary drinks. It will produce saliva, keep you hydrated, and it will help you avoid snacking on day to day, like after every 2 or 3 hours while traveling. So these are few things of your dental travel kit which should always be there with you. Along with that, if in case I have not mentioned, tongue cleaner is also important. Flossing and tongue cleaners, keep these two things as well. I hope really this helps and you do not face any emergency related to dental while traveling. Thank you.